I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. Centrally located in Park Shore and one of only 32 units in the complex, this unit sits directly on the Venetian Bay with gorgeous water views. This home is equipped with hardwood parquet floors, a private elevator, 10-foot ceilings, an open floor plan, and an expansive covered patio directly over the bay. And with a brand new master suite and bath just completed in 2017, this home is truly a restful paradise. At over 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms with a den, and a great room with gorgeous bay views, you have ample space to host friends and family while simultaneously enjoying peaceful moments. If you love the water, you'll love this home. It's a boater's delight, with boat slips available, and just across the street is your private beach access. After a day on the water, take a stroll to the Venetian Village for fine meals and shopping. All of the floor plans at the Venetian Villas are extremely unique. This residence offers all of its living area on one floor and includes a 1-car garage. When you add in the Venetian Village world-class dining and shopping just a short walk away, in addition to the bayside pool, gated entrance, and on-site manager, you can see how the Venetian Villas creates a luxury package for its homeowners. Call me to see this listing or any other property in